Hello, YouTube family. Hello, everyone. I'm just here to wish you guys a wonderful Merry Christmas and a great New Year, which is us moving into 2024 to 2025. And I'm super excited about the journey so far. So, before I continue this video, just do a quick recap of the entire year and how the journey has been since July or June, where we started our channel, not the channel, but our Telegram channel, and the journey so far, and how our YouTube have grown so far from less than 100 subscribers to over 250. And by God's grace, I believe next year we should do more numbers. So this is a quick recap, and let's see how it goes and all the peeps will make. Welcome guys, welcome guys, welcome guys. Just hit the like button and the subscribe and leave a comment about how your year has been so far, what you have achieved, and things you're looking forward into entering the next great year, because 2025 is going to be a great year for me. I don't know about you, but for me, it's going to be an awesome year. So I'm going to talk about what is the plan for next year and this year, things we achieved and things that weren't achieved. So 2024 was a challenging year for me. Most of you guys won't know because when I started up the channel, it was just all green and it just felt like it was all good. I know if you guys understand what I meant, but it was a rocky year for me. I lost a lot of money this year before I started the channel doing what I was doing. I happened to be in a trade. It's a crazy story which I'm going to tell some other time, but I just happened to be in an end where I lost a lot of money from trading. It's it took me back. It took me back several years. That's how it went. So I basically lost like money I made for 2 years money I've accumulated for over 2 years, compounding it. I lost it in less than a week due to emotions, due to greed, and due to revenge. So these are the three things I'm talking about, and I'm able to work my way through ever since then. Um, Started being more open with myself and going back to the grind. And this is December. I've actually been working my ass after I stopped trading in order for me to make sure my next year was going to be better, which is 2025. So you guys, um, the community open, there's opportunity for us to make money. I think by next year we'll actually start doing live trading section, going live on YouTube for an hour 30 minutes. Not every day, but at least once, twice, or probably 3 times a week. So you guys are interested, just subscribe to the community and let's just make money. Also, I've been diving into a lot of other things which I'm not going to disclose yet, but it still has to do with trading. But over time, I think in the first quarter of the next year, first quarter of 2025, I'm going to discover what those things are about. You understand? So basically, if you're struggling or you in short of capital, this is an opportunity for you to actually just grow capital quick, then use that money to actually do other things in trading. Meanwhile, you can use to buy profile or skill up your personal trading, FX trading account and start trading on it. So I'm currently patiently working and grinding. This December, I probably have gone out just once or twice, but I'm always grinding. If your eyes is good and you guys know more about trading, you look behind me at some things you see, and you guys know what that is. Guys, you guys are already connecting with me, so that's basically what I need to talk about. So, what I need, if you have not done this yet, by now you should have already written all your goals you need to achieve for 2025, which I've already done and I've set aside. Then it's left for me to just put in the work. It's going to be a lot of work 2025. Like there's not going to be any dull moments from January 16 till December. Like no dull moments. We're going to be on the grind, stacking up, making back money, just doing the best we can to for the community and for personal growth. So if you're interested in your personal growth, this channel is meant for you. So just stick to. I just basically came here to just show you guys my face and tell you guys. I just wish you guys a wonderful year and see you guys next year. This is going to be the last video I will drop for the entire year. And next year we're going to do more videos. There's will be more great things. I'm working for you guys. Don't worry. There's a lot of work being put in for you guys. So see you guys next year. And from Life of Blues, from Trade Like Mo to the community and everyone worldwide, I will say this one more time. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. See you guys in a few weeks. Peace.